Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon SES has introduced a feature that allows customers to provision isolated tenants within a single account, enabling automated reputation policies to manage email sending. This enhancement enables customers to create multiple tenants with dedicated configuration sets, identities, and templates, helping to detect and isolate deliverability issues within isolated email streams. When customers specify a tenant while sending an email, Amazon SES provides real-time metrics including messages sent, bounce rates, and complaint rates. If reputation issues are detected, Amazon SES can automatically pause the affected tenant to protect other email streams. Customers can control this automation with 3 reputation policy options: standard, strict, or none for manual monitoring. Amazon SES also publishes notifications to Amazon EventBridge when tenant status changes occur or new reputation findings are detected, enabling integration with existing monitoring workflows. These new capabilities are now available in all AWS regions where Amazon SES is offered, allowing customers to manage their email sending more effectively and improve inbox placement with mailbox providers. AWS Directory Service has launched Hybrid Edition for Managed Microsoft AD, enabling customers to extend their existing Active Directory domain into AWS. This managed service provides a unified Active Directory deployment across on-premises, cloud, and multi-cloud environments. The new edition automates replication and maintenance between AD environments and AWS, simplifying the migration process while preserving existing access controls and group policies. Hybrid Edition allows customers to integrate with various AWS services, including Amazon EC2, Amazon FSx for Windows File Server, and Amazon Relational Database Service, across multiple AWS accounts. The managed approach reduces operational overhead, enabling organizations to focus on business priorities as AWS handles AD infrastructure maintenance. Additionally, customers can securely share administrator credentials using AWS Secrets Manager. Amazon S3 access points have introduced support for tags in attribute-based access control. This innovation simplifies data access management for shared datasets in general purpose and directory buckets. With this feature, users can add tags to their access points, extending tag-based permissions to new and existing users, roles, and access points. This eliminates the need for frequent policy updates on AWS Identity and Access Management, S3 bucket, or access point levels, streamlining scaling governance on shared datasets. They can achieve this by using the AWS Management Console, S3 REST API, AWS CLI, or AWS SDK. This feature is available in all AWS regions at no additional cost. To learn more about using tags for access points, users can visit the S3 user guide. Amazon RDS for MySQL now supports 2 new minor versions, 8.0.43 and 8.4.6, which were recently released by the MySQL community. These updates bring security fixes, bug fixes, performance improvements, and new functionality to users of Amazon RDS for MySQL. They recommend upgrading to these newer minor versions to take advantage of these enhancements. Amazon RDS for MySQL makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale MySQL deployments in the cloud. To upgrade, users can leverage automatic minor version upgrades during scheduled maintenance windows or use Amazon RDS managed blue/green deployments for a safer, simpler, and faster update process. For more information on upgrading database instances, including automatic minor version upgrades and blue/green deployments, users should consult the Amazon RDS user guide. Amazon EC2 now allows customers to force terminate instances that are stuck in the shutting down state. This feature was introduced to address rare issues caused by frozen operating systems or underlying hardware problems, which can leave instances indefinitely in the shutting down process. When customers use the Force Terminate option, the instance will first attempt a graceful shutdown. If this process is unsuccessful within a specified timeout period, the instance will proceed with a forced shutdown. In cases where a forced shutdown occurs, it's possible that file system caches and metadata may not be flushed or shutdown scripts may not run before instance termination. However, customers can now recover resources associated with stuck instances, such as vCPU quotas or elastic IP addresses, without waiting for AWS intervention. This feature provides greater flexibility in managing EC2 instances and allows customers to quickly regain control of their resources. Amazon Kinesis Video Streams has expanded its coverage to 3 new AWS regions, providing faster response times, stronger data residency controls, and reduced data transfer expenses for organizations operating in these regions. The service enables the secure streaming, processing, and storage of video and time-encoded data from connected devices. They can now automatically provision and elastically scale the infrastructure needed to ingest streaming video from millions of devices, storing, encrypting, and indexing video data while accessing their data streams through easy-to-use APIs. Additionally, they can quickly build applications for live and on-demand viewing, leveraging computer vision and video analytics through integration with other AWS services like Amazon Rekognition Video and Amazon SageMaker. The expanded coverage also includes support for interactive and real-time peer-to-peer media streaming between web browsers, mobile applications, and connected devices using WebRTC. For more information, please visit the Amazon Kinesis Video Streams product page and the AWS Region Services list for complete regional availability information. Amazon Application Recovery Controller has introduced support for switching AWS regions, enabling the automated orchestration of multi-region application recovery. This feature allows users to define specific steps for switching their application out of another AWS region, providing real-time visibility and logging throughout the recovery process. The region switch capability supports failover and failback for active-passive multi-region approaches, as well as removing and adding an AWS region for applications with active-active multi-region approaches. The solution is highly available and runs independently in each region it operates in, eliminating dependencies on the region being left behind. To get started, users can create a region switch plan using the Arc Console, API, or CLI, defining the specific workflow required to recover their applications in another region. Once created, the region switch plan is replicated to all regions where the application operates, ensuring correctness and readiness for recovery. Amazon CloudWatch has launched natural language query generation for OpenSearch PPL and SQL, allowing users to interactively search and analyze their logs using plain English. This feature, available in North America, and enables customers to quickly generate queries in the context of their logs without requiring extensive knowledge of the query language. They can ask questions like, "Give me the number of errors and exceptions per hour," or "What are the top 100 source IP addresses by bytes transferred," and the system will automatically generate the corresponding OpenSearch PPL or SQL query. This capability streamlines the process of gathering insights from log data, making it more accessible to a broader range of users. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.